Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that what I'm sharing here is based on my own personal experience. Today we're taking a closer look at MoneyMutual, specifically the website found at www.moneymutual.com. This online platform aims to connect individuals seeking short-term loans with potential lenders. Navigating the site is generally straightforward. You'll encounter a form requesting information like the desired loan amount, your state of residence, and other pertinent details. MoneyMutual emphasizes that they are not a direct lender. Instead, they act as a marketplace, facilitating connections between borrowers and a network of lenders. This means that the specific terms and conditions of a loan, including interest rates and repayment schedules, will be determined by the individual lender you're paired with. This highlights the importance of carefully reviewing any loan agreement before committing. Due to the variety of lenders within MoneyMutual's network, loan offers can vary considerably. It's worth exploring your options thoroughly to find the best fit for your financial situation. Remember, borrowing money always comes with responsibilities. It's crucial to understand the implications of taking on a loan and to ensure you can comfortably meet the repayment terms. MoneyMutual stresses the importance of responsible borrowing and encourages users to educate themselves about the process. The website provides resources and information designed to help borrowers make informed decisions. One key aspect to remember is that state regulations regarding short-term loans can differ significantly. Depending on where you live, specific rules and limitations may apply. MoneyMutual acknowledges this variation and aims to operate within the legal framework of each respective state. Before proceeding with a loan application, it's recommended to familiarize yourself with the regulations applicable to your location. This proactive approach can help avoid potential issues down the line. Ultimately, MoneyMutual presents itself as a resource for individuals in need of short-term financial assistance. However, it's paramount to approach such platforms with caution and conduct thorough research before making any decisions. Be sure to compare offers, understand the terms, and borrow responsibly.